Open banking in Australia is a little different to anywhere else in the world. And that's because it is merely the first part of an economy-wide consumer data right. And to understand how it's different to, say, PSD2 or GDPR or open banking in the United Kingdom, it's necessary to understand its starting point. And its starting point is a piece of work on the Australian economy around productivity and innovation. And that work of our Productivity Commission found that data was a very productive asset which has not been fully utilised by Australia or Australians. And so this right for customers to control, to make choices, to have convenience and confidence in sharing data needed to be created. Now, it's created at the start using banking as the first sector, and that's what's called open banking in Australia. And open banking gives any Australian customer, be they an individual or a business, a right to require that information that is already shared with their bank be shared with someone else they choose to trust. That other person must be accredited to be trustworthy, and also that other person, the recipient, when they're asked to share data, they must do it too. But it's designed to create a level playing field where customers can transfer their information as they see fit when it benefits them. Importantly, we've already started with extending it to the energy sector, and following that, the telecommunications sector, and then other parts of the Australian economy, including other parts of the financial services system, such as superannuation and insurance, should be included in due course. What this means is if you are a business in Europe already used to dealing with the regulatory requirements of PSD2 or GDPR, there is a commonality of platform. There will be some differences, but the technological standards in Australia are based on those which are used in Europe and the United Kingdom. The differences come from the expansion of the landscape that you can use your technology and your business model to. Because if you bring your model to Australia, you're not bringing it just for banking customers. You're bringing it for telco customers, retail customers, energy customers. In fact, you're able to leverage your open banking business model into the entire customer base of all